So now we are just going to complete the design by filling all the remaining sections. So for this particular section, again you can either choose vertical lines like this one, or you can also choose diagonal lines. So since we are sticking to the theme, so let's make some diagonal lines. So for that, just lift your pen a little bit to give that feather kind of effect. So now instead of making lines, you can just do this kind of effect, or do this kind of light lines, like a scratchy kind of effect, so that you have that feather effect property. So this is a very cool trick that you can definitely try. Some lighter strokes using the pen to give that feather effect. So you can see that this particular feather effect and this particular feather effect is totally different. You can choose any. Now when you are making this the feather effect in this particular area, make sure they align with the shape of the feather. So you can see that this using the pen in this way is giving a different kind of effect in the feather. Lighter strokes of your pen. So as you can see that we have added so many different kinds of shapes and patterns, and this is the reason why I always suggest to use pens for mandala art instead of markers and sketch pens, so that you can draw and modify the strokes according to your choice, lighter strokes or darker strokes. So now we are just going to color the beads as well, so that it stands completed. Now this is a black mandala, so when you can also try colorful or any specific color. So say for example, if you like the color blue, you can just use different shades of the color blue, and you can add different colored beads in there, or you can also add golden beads or silver beads. So all of these are again experiments. So make sure that you experiment with the grid, the patterns, and different types of sketches that we discussed, and the colors as well. So when you have completed all all your patterns and all your coloring, etc., just take an eraser and very carefully just erase all the pencil lines here and there, So these are just, you know, adding the final touches and just erasing all the pencil lines. So our Dreamcatcher mandala stands complete. So as you can see that step by step, following the step by step procedure, you just made such an amazing, you know, design. It might, you know, look intimidating or, you know, difficult in the beginning, but breaking down the entire procedure into simpler steps always helps. So just carefully erase the, you know, pencil lines and let your pen ink dry as well. Don't just immediately start on erasing, and be gentle, especially if your paper GSM is low. Otherwise you will end up crumbling your paper and ruining your entire design. So when you have completed this, your Dreamcatcher mandala design is totally complete now.